Tim, what'd you do to my damn loader?
Nothing.
Yeah. It's starting to get old. It's starting to get old. My battery needs to be replaced right now. And I'm thinking about buying a newer one, or maybe even a new one, but I'd like to test some out other than the John Deere, because I've been told by many people that I'm missing out on much better pieces of equipment. So I was thinking that there's a guy in England, Lord Muck, and he just did a review between a Bobcat, which I'll never buy a Bobcat. I don't like Bobcat. I think their controls suck, the jumpy, jerky thing. But he did a JCB, so Lord Muck, maybe you can get me a JCB. Wouldn't you think? A teleskid. I think a teleskid would be really cool. And I know the John Deere will outdo a Bobcat any old day, but I don't know about that JCB. So, Lord Muck, if you're watching, maybe you can do me a solid and get me a JCB. Raining. Well, thank God. It's raining again. You know why? Because my mud is getting dehydrated. Can't hardly believe it. That damn mud is getting so dehydrated, we needed more rain. Okay, so we're moving this. This is going to stay here, and we're going to put the new one right next to it, right there. We moved the Peckway spreader out, and that's over there. So 8530. That's a sexy tractor. 8530 is going to kind of sit here until we get him back in. We're going to figure out where to put these machines, because I need these tractors all to be inside. This one's kind of had its nose sticking out for a while, so I'm waiting for Tim to come around to 4960 in that other baler. Hopefully everything's locked up the way it should be. Yeah, I think so. Chrome 1 on the 4960. Chrome 2 on the 4960. Everybody'd love to see this combination work. That's not going to happen. Right, Joe?
Right.
I got to go pick up a load of hay over in Flemington. See what Mr. Tomato Paste does here. As long as they don't pinch it. That baler would throw this 4960 around like a rag doll. It just would. Rag doll, look at the size of that thing. I think Messick's did a spray wax job on it. I don't think they actually put a glove on, but that's okay. That's alright. You can see some of the little differences in this baler versus the other one right there in that control box in the middle of the ramp there for the scale. Make sure he can get it backed in good. Come this way. I swear that ramp on that, or that chute, is much taller. I don't know. I don't think it is, but cut your wheel. Cut your wheel. I don't want him to hit anything. This thing will come down. Put my foot under there, what do you suppose would happen? Probably turn it flat as a pancake. And it would hurt like hell. These hydraulic jacks are tits, man. If Krone did anything right, it was that. Oi! Get that the bolt out of there. We're done here. Throw that into neutral. What the hell? You gotta love this, right? So Gerald called me about this. He's like, hey, don't think I'm retarded or anything, but I had 2 of one and 1 of another, and they didn't match, so I just put and that's his exact word, I just put the ones I had that were right. You have to back up a bit. Good. Should come up. Go ahead. Yank that one. What is that one for? The wheels? There you go. Put your cap on there. Pull that out. Getting the 8530. Pull that 8530 out, and then we're gonna put it right in here. That hole. No, don't do that. Just fine. I have to wind it up. 1 turn is more than enough. Everything's disconnected. So if you back that thing in, get as much of the tractor in as you can. Yeah, I've got plenty of room here to walk, but once I get that tractor in here, it's going to be a bastard to get around it. We'll just have Joseph do it. I think it'll pretty much all fit. The overhang don't go up so much. Hey, but a lot of people have asked me what I think of the IVT and the 8530. I really love this tractor. I know that a lot of guys say, oh, it's an old tractor. Yeah, it's 10 years old. It's 10 years old. But I love the tractor. The R Series, I'm sure, are great tractors also. But I really love this particular tractor. I think it does a good job. As long as you don't hit that power takeoff shaft. I can always yell at him. Got your wheel. Other way. Come on back. This is a concern of mine. You're good if you go back. I don't know, might have to move this. That's good. Ah, we're not good. Well, go ahead and shut it off. We'll see if we got room in the other building. So we're just moving everything around. So, deja vu, Krone 2, Krone 1. I am going to put numbers on it, even though I will be able to tell the difference. It's got difference right here. This is kind of weird. See that? This bull pull thing. A little different than the other one, but I don't know. There it is.